Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can activate your account on Wise. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so first of all, open up your Wise application on your mobile device and simply log in with your account. Alright, so after logging in, you'll see that there is no such option in the application that suggests the activation of your account. So what you need to do is select Manage button located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then simply scroll down the list of options and select Direct Debits. Now tap on the Setup Direct Debit button located at the bottom and select Preferred Currency. Then just tap on Account Details and a new page will load up. It will show you the steps which will lead you directly to activation of your account. First step is to deposit 20 British pound in your account and then verify yourself. Simply get account details and then continue along the steps. And that's how you can activate your account on Wise. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.